Hello everyone. So today's topic will be about uppercase and lowercase letter. Means how can you convert something to the uppercase and how can you convert the letter to a lowercase. And there is also another function on a split function, and I will talk in this video. Suppose we are assigning CH equals to hello world. Sorry, I didn't go to the Python terminal. Suppose we are assigning CH equals to hello world, and then I want to convert all this thing to the uppercase. Then what will you do? There is a function known as ch.upper. It is printing the all the letters in uppercase format. So this is the inbuilt function of the Python. If you do ch means the name of the variable dot upper and then two brackets. Why I am giving two brackets? Because this is a function. Then and this is executed. That is why you have to give two curly brackets over here, and then it is printing all the letters in uppercase format. Similarly, if you assign it in lowercase, like hello, sorry, all uppercase HELLO, and if you do ch dot lower, it will print the letter in all the lowercase format like ch hello. So what is the difference? Ch dot lower is also another function built in Python. So this function will helps you to print the characters. If it is in uppercase, then it will print the characters in lowercase. And there is another function like I am mentioning x equals to hi. This is a Python program. Suppose suppose I want to split this into a list. Then what will I do? I have to do x dot split. It is forming a list, and it is forming a list over here. So split operation is helps to form a list over here. Basically what I have not told you about list. So what is list? Suppose list is something which works as array. In Python there are three types of things. One is tuples, one is list, and one is dictionary. So list is used in most cases. So let's talk about the list. So suppose if you want to assign something, just like my list equals to then 1 2, just like this. List the difference between list, tuples and dictionary is that list always we have to assign with square brackets, and tuples with the curly brackets, this bracket, and dictionary with the tuples with the circle brackets and dictionary with the curly brackets, and list in square brackets. So list is you can take it as an array. So if I want to return 3 in the list, so what will I do? It's simple. My list mention 1 over here, it will return 3 because because list works as the array 0 1 2 3 4. So the index always start from 0, just like indexing. And what you can do with the list, you can append the list also. Suppose you have taken list is 1 2 3 4 5 or 1 3 4 5 6, and you want to append 7. So what you can do it easily. Dot append 7, then declare my list. It has append 7, and you can also pop the list also. My list dot pop. Yeah, it has popped the 7. Then print this 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you don't give value or something just like that, it will pop the last character. So if you can do my list dot pop 3, it will pop the character. It will pop the character 5. Basically what is doing, basically it is taking the indexing at the 3th index. 5 the character 5 is present, 0 1 2 3. And if that is why you pop that is why when you pop the 3, it has popped the characters 5 from it. And then if you print my list, then what will return? It will return 1 3 4 6. First I have done a dot pop 0, dot pop nothing, then it has pop 7 because I didn't mention in index. Then I pop my list dot pop 3 means I mentioned the pop the 3th index of the list, so it has pop 5, and then my list is 1 3 4 6, and then I can append my list dot append. I want to append 12, then print my list, but sorry, then print my list, it has append 12 in it. So these are the things which you can do with the list. You can in list you can take the characters also, that is not a problem, just like hello, then print my list. See, it has a character also. So this is the flexibility of the list and the flexibility of the Python. You have taken one integer over here, some sequence of integer, then you have taken a character hello. So these are the features of the list, and these are the features of the Python which will help you a lot in programming. So thank you for watching the video. In the next video we will talk something more about strings, formatting, etc., about Python programming and how can you move forward and how can you do Python easily, Python program very easily. So thank you for watching the video.